3 of 4 woodcutters who went missing in forest of 𝐻𝐸𝐸 found brutally murdered. Search for one missing underway. Manipur fire service teams fight blazing fire of heavy fuel in review lit at 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬. And state government puts men and machines into service to prevent artificial disaster. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐂𝐤𝐳, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. 3, including a father and son duo, out of 4 woodcutters who remained missing since yesterday after they went to collect firewood in the forest of 𝐻𝐸𝐸 village in Kumbi Assembly constituency on the border of Bishnupur and Churachandpur districts, were found brutally murdered by cookies today. The dead bodies of 3 woodcutters have been found today, but the 4th body is still missing. Search operation has been launched for the missing body. The woodcutters who were tortured and brutally murdered by the cookies have been identified as 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬, age 53, son of late 𝐂𝐸𝐸; 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬's son, 𝐻𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐻, age 27; 𝐻𝐸𝐸 Singh, age 56, son of late 𝐴𝐴𝐸𝐬; and 𝐿𝐸𝐸, age 45, son of 𝐿𝐸𝐸. They were all residents of 𝐂𝐸𝐸, Ward number 7. Locals of 𝐂𝐸𝐸 informed that they heard gunshots from the hills of 𝐻𝐸𝐸 last afternoon. When the families of deceased woodcutters said they had not returned, people of the village proceeded towards 𝐻𝐸𝐸 forest around 3 in the afternoon, and they could not reach forest as the cookies fired many rounds of guns and bombs towards them. Later at night, a joint team of Manipur Police and Central Security Force launched search for the missing persons but could not locate them till late at night. This morning, 3 bodies were found while body of Ahanthem Dara still remained untraceable. Speaking to media, son of Dara, Ahanthem Santa, said his father went to collect firewood last afternoon after his gardening routine. He expressed disappointment and astonishment at the same time at the incident taking place at the place where personnel of Maha Regiment are guarding round the clock. He also appealed to the authority concerned to locate his father and hand him over to his family at the earliest.
Kapaga hatoki machaki yam penjade si mari leinaba singsina matik chaba dandi pibiyo haijege mari sigi manungda mi ahum amadi phange sina aduga akhoi baba sidi sibra natraga hingibra haibase mari leinaba singna amtang thibiraga yumda sinabiyo haina sarkari maikai noruna haijeri
Hani panjumna langa agala bukadai dagi sani ngai thaki ngai no phana leiba mi bawa leiba pibam ji yeng mi yoba sarkana pibam sida sida kamai na phai sing thani ngai lek ta sing thi ba pata ba ne education ni sulai
Condemning the merciless torture and murder by the cookies, President of Kumbi Kendra Command and Control Women Wing, 𝐻𝐸𝐸 maintained that 𝐻𝐸𝐸 village where this incident took place is a high security area guarded by Maha Regiment. Villagers have been working and collecting firewood from the area without any suspicion of or fear as they are deployed there. Maintaining that deployment of Maha Regiment in the area is futile, she lamented that such incidents and more killings will continue in the area if the Maha Regiment is still deployed there alongside the presence of Kuki militants.
gas label of the Duna Sing and Ba, sing the Marika, Sayang, Marika, later have a box, sing the songs and the later have a box, and Fonda is a Kakanda, whom Marita was right, the Kanjariba, who sing Chabazaki Bazaga, sing Chalivasting, whom we have that 7 money sing the high sing Sida, Maharaj Lady, Maharaj Lena, Kadilamta, later Lyra, sing Chabazaki, Karigi, even passing she even over. Maharaj Lady, Kariwan talk lady gay. Manipur Punamata Laiba, CSO Natraga, Asosang, Minister CM, Adegi, SP, DC, Lady Mayam Sekari Haina, Urige, Masagi, gas label under the Sing and Bas, Sasakiba, even passing Jasuna, Asamasung, Shiraka de Lai, Makoi Levi Ariba, Aduga Karimata management, sing the Tongo, sing the Makoi Lena Karim the Shiribano, Asmina Sido and Dako Makoi, management, and then I'm wishing that we had on the Tantre.
As an endless stream of heavy fuel was found leaked in a rivulet that flows through 𝐶𝐤𝐯𝐬 areas, leading to an inferno last night. Local residents got panicked and tried to douse the raging fire. The fire ignited by the heavy fuel that leaked into the stream could not completely be doused till today morning. Teams of fire service rushed to the site to contain the blazing fire. On the other hand, Secretary to Chief Minister 𝐂𝐲𝐈 in an official memorandum has asked all concerned departments to take immediate actions after the leakage of heavy fuel was reported. The heavy fuel is suspected to have leaked from 𝐿eMakhong power station. It said the fuel has split into the streams passing through Imphal Valley. Leakage of heavy fuel from 𝐿eMakhong power station has been reported, leading to spillover of the discharge along streams passing through 𝐶𝐤𝐯𝐬, 𝐍𝐄𝐰𝐬, etc. The stream meets the Imphal River downstream by flowing through Kurkul, Loitang, Kameng, Iroisemba, Nambul, it said. It ordered Chief Secretary DGP, Additional Chief Secretary, Relief and Disaster Management, Commissioner cum Secretary, Water Resources, Secretaries of Fishery and PHED, Directors and officials of Fire Service and Environment to take immediate necessary actions to prevent an environmental calamity, making use of all available resources in terms of machinery, manpower and expertise. It continued that response mechanisms and standard operating procedures for such events should be immediately activated.
𝐶𝐤𝐯𝐬 thau kerang Korean center pada mai sakpa tadi thau bermusab laba thau cedera petinggal mayam kena polri jadi itu merah
Chief of Army Staff Manoj Pandey said today that the overall violence in Manipur has come down and the army is working to normalize the situation to ensure stability. He added that the state saw violence since last year in May, but it has now come down with the combined efforts of the state administration, army and Assam Rifles. He was interacting with the cadets at the NCC Republic Day Parade Camp in New Delhi today. He continued that the Northeast has witnessed positive developments in the last year because of the proactive policies of the government. The violence parameters have overall come down. Manipur witnessed violence in May last year, but with the combined efforts by the state administration, army and Assam Rifles have been able to stabilize the situation. Situation in the state remained tense but was under control with sporadic firing and congregations of protesters during the past 24 hours between January 9th and 10th. As per a report from Manipur Police Control Room, search operations and area dominations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Imphal West, Kaching, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Imphal East and Churachandpur districts. During the operation, 1 carbine with magazine, 1 country-made 9mm pistol with magazine, 5 single-barrel guns, 1 tear gas gun, 8 HE-36 hand grenades, 26 rubber bullets, 1 SLR magazine, 6 tear gas cells, 4 rounds of 5.56 mm bullets, 4 rounds of 9 mm, 20.30 mm M1 carbine ammunition, 5 pumpies were recovered from Churachandpur district on Monday. The report also mentioned that 1 unserviceable AK-56 rifle, 1 country-made pumpy, 5 country-made shotguns, 4 36 hand grenade, 15 5.56 mm ammunition rounds, 11 AK-56 ammunition rounds, 4 BP pouches, 1 unserviceable 9 mm pistol, 1 country-made .303 rifle, 1 country-made mortar, 5 country-made bombs, 4 IEDs, 62 metal pieces likely for bomb making, 2 M16 magazine, 1 knife, 7 shotguns rounds, 1 Motorola set, 1 pencil cell charger, 1 AK-47 magazine, 1 9mm magazine, 1 country-made .303 magazine were recovered, also from Tengnoupal district on January 6th. The report continued that movement of 228 and 243 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 142 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 301 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. So let's take a quick break.
Diabetes ko loy na hinglibasing tha amagi manungda control toba ngamlei. Urea creatinine wangbasu tha amagi manungda hanthaba ngamlei. Khong ha manungaitabasu numit manga nigi manungda fahanba ngamlei. Pile sabadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamlei. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamlei. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal oiba ngamlei. Fatty liver oibasu tha amagi manungda fagat hanba ngamlei. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makalna laing jabani. Hakchang na sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathosu tararoi. Hena kupaparol gidamak ngasimak Langsin Birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 School, Excellence in Education.
Introducing a newbie challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle. Sense of wellness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited seats, so grab the opportunity. We also provide specialized classes on main topics like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details,
Kuloy hinglibasing tha amagi manungda control toba ngamlei. Urea creatinine wangbasu tha amagi manungda hanthaba ngamlei. Khong hamba nuwaitabasu numit manganigi manungda fahanba ngamlei. Piles saibadi nungsan nabasu chamada chama fahanba ngamlei. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamlei. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal oiba ngamlei. Fatty liver oibasu tha amagi manungda fagathanba ngamlei. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhalna laingjabani. Hakchangda sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Hena kupa parolgidamak nasimak lengsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. Now the national news. The Assam government has reportedly denied the Congress party permission for its leader to stay overnight on public grounds in 2 districts amidst the upcoming Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. The party's opposition leader, Devabhadra Saikia, shared this information during a press conference. He stated that the party is now considering private farmlands as alternative locations to park their container vehicles, where senior leaders including Rahul Gandhi will be staying overnight. Saikia revealed that they have initially received permission to use a school ground at Gogamukh in Dhemaji district for the night stay, but the permission was later revoked. The Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, set to commence on January 14 from Manipur, aims to cover an extensive distance of 6,713 kilometers in the span of 66 days. The primary focus of the journey is to advocate for economic justice, social justice and political justice for the people of India. The leaders emphasized the need to address disparities and promote unity and equality, echoing the principles laid out in the Constitution and the directive principles of state policy. Indore and Surat today received the Cleanliness Cities Award of the country in the Cleanliness Survey 2023 in the category of more than 1 lakh population. Indore has received this award for the 7th consecutive time. Navi Mumbai got the 3rd position in the same category. President Draupadi Murmu presented the Swachh Sarveshan 2023 awards at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi in the presence of Union Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs Hardeep Singh Puri and other officials. Saswat in Maharashtra, Patan in Chhattisgarh and Lonavala in Maharashtra bagged the top 3 positions in the cleanliness cities in the category of populations of below 1 lakh population. Meanwhile, Maharashtra got the first prize for cleanliness in the state category. Madhya Pradesh got 2nd and Chhattisgarh got the award of 3rd cleanest state. Varanasi and Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh clinched the top spots as the cleanest Ganga towns. Addressing the gathering, President Draupadi Murmu said that the central government and other organizations had played a significant role in making the Swachh Bharat mission a mass movement in the country. She said that the Swachh Bharat mission also provides livelihood to millions of people who are associated with the mission. President Murmu also thanked the Safai Mitra for contributing to the Swachh Bharat mission and said their contribution towards the mission is remarkable. She also urged the youth of the country to work towards making India the cleanest country in the world. Mild tremors were felt in Delhi and parts of northern India this afternoon after 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck Afghanistan. The tremors were felt even in Pakistan. The national capital region, including Noida, Ghaziabad, Faridabad and Gurugram, also felt the earthquake tremors. The tremors were also felt in Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Punjab and other parts of northern India. According to reports by Pakistani media, tremors were also felt in Lahore, Islamabad and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa cities. Earthquake tremors were felt at 2:50 p.m. No reports or loss of lives or property have emerged as of now. As per National Center for Seismology, the epicenter of the quake was 241 kilometers north-northeast of Afghanistan's Kabul. The quake triggered panic among people, with many in Delhi and the national capital region reporting shaking of furniture. According to U.S. Geological Survey, The quake was of magnitude 6.4 on the Richter scale. It struck at a depth of 206.6 km, 44 km SSW of Jurm in Afghanistan. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Three of four woodcutters who went missing in forest of Hautak Island found brutally murdered. Search for one missing underway. Manipur fire service teams fight blazing fire of heavy fuel in rivulet at Kanto Sabal. And state government puts men and machines into service to prevent artificial disaster. And that is all we have for now. But for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.